Hello, fruit enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of horticulture as we guide you through the process of growing a mango tree from seed. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a fresh mango seed. Make sure it's not too old, as this can hinder the germination process. Rinse the seed in clean water to remove any residue. Then, pat it dry with a soft cloth. Some gardeners may recommend soaking the seed overnight in warm water to help with germination. Next up, planting. Choose a sunny spot and fill a small pot with well-drained soil. Create a small hole about an inch deep and carefully place your mango seed inside. Firmly press down the soil around the seed to ensure it's securely in place. Now comes the waiting period, up to 30 days for your mango tree to sprout. Once you see that tiny green shoot emerging from the soil, you know your efforts have paid off. Remember to give your mango tree plenty of sunlight and water it regularly without overwatering or allowing it to dry out completely. As it grows taller and wider, you may need to transplant it into a larger pot or even plant it directly in your garden if you wish. Caring for your mango tree is as simple as providing nutrient-rich soil and ensuring it gets enough sunlight and water. Regular pruning will also help maintain its shape and health. And voila! In just a few years, you could be enjoying fresh mangoes right off your very own tree. Thank you for joining us on this horticultural adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!